In this video, I will talk about working with images and some of the terminology associated with digital images. We often hear the terms megapixels and resolution used in conversation about digital images and digital imaging equipment. Megapixels, millions of pixels per square inch, are often associated with digital cameras. The more megapixel means more detail saved to the image file. However, a higher megapixel does not mean a good picture. Resolution, usually expressed in dots per inch, DPI, is often associated with scanners and imaging software. DPI is especially important when it comes to printing your picture and the type of media it will be printed on. Newspaper print may only require 150 to 180 DPI, whereas a magazine may require 300 DPI or higher. Adjusting the color is often necessary when preparing images. Different lights emit different color temperatures. Most cameras have presets for different lighting temperatures such as incandescent bulbs, daylight, halogen, etc. You can use the histogram to emphasize different colors or adjust the highlights, midtones, and shadows of an image. Layers are very useful when composing your image. You could use a layer to create a mask to hide certain parts of an image without destructively deleting parts of the original image. Layers can be used to create special effects such as a blue hue over the image. The original image is untouched and the blue hue layer can be made visible or hidden. An image can be composed of several objects on different layers. These objects can be moved around independent of the others and positioned behind or on top of objects in other layers. You could also use layers to see how different hairstyles would look on a person by placing different hairstyles on different layers and making a certain layer visible to see the result. Take into consideration what media your image will appear on. If you are publishing your image to the web, your resolution does not need to be above 72. Saving at a higher resolution will only cause the image to load slower. This is also true when emailing the image, unless you are sending it to be printed. Magazines and photo paper require higher resolutions than newspapers. It is beneficial for archiving purposes to take your pictures in a RAW format in addition to a standard format if this option is available on your camera. The RAW format creates a very large file, but you have access to all the image data your camera captured from the shot.